Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will take a look at the best $5 investment for your home appliances that can save you thousands of dollars.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Flooded basements and damaged kitchen floors. What would be a small fix on an appliance, sometimes ending up costing people thousands of dollars in home repairs, and is more common than you might think. Refrigerators, dishwashers, garbage disposals, and washing machines. They all make our lives easier, but they all require water to operate, and sometimes can be the culprits to some very nasty leaks. What's worse is sometimes this leak goes unnoticed for a long time due to the location of the water valves not being in plain sight. So what if you were able to know if your water line behind your refrigerator, dishwasher, or washing machine was leaking before causing mold buildup, or worse, rotting your hardwood floors? Well, there is a simple solution that most homeowners might not know about: water leak detectors. Similar to how smoke alarms alert you before a bad situation turns worse, a water leak detector can be placed under any major appliance to sense even the slightest bit of water pooling, alerting you with a loud audible tone when a leak is detected. These devices come in all shapes and price points. They can be a cheap, simple, audible alarm with a battery life of 5 to 7 years, or a pricey smart alarm that connects to your home or home automation system to alert you before the leak becomes ugly. While we all have smoke alarms in our homes, maybe it's time to add a water leak detector as well, and have some peace of mind. Be sure to check the description below for some links to a few different options. And if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.